you have a lawyer today? Tell me what you're doing about that.
Well, I called a couple places, but I don't really got the money for it. I'm not working or nothing.
Why not?
Well, really, it's transportation, but I've been searching and getting like over the phone interviews and not getting calls back. But I've been trying to get one though.
People aren't going to come to you looking. You're not a king, man. They're not going to come to you to give you work. You got to go look for it. Just because you ain't got a ride doesn't mean that you can't work.
Yeah. I've been calling a lot of people.
But what's temp? Perhaps you can get work at a temp agency. But how are you surviving now?
My people.
So why do the people of Harris County get to pay for a lawyer for you when you get to play Xbox all day and do nothing?
Play no game.
All right, guys, wake up. Life doesn't owe you a thing. This young man says he's been calling around. But here's the truth. The world doesn't care about your excuses. No ride, no job, boo-hoo. You've got a kid, responsibilities, and all you're doing is playing Xbox. Newsflash, nobody's handing out paychecks at your doorstep. Get off that couch and hustle because trying is just another word for not doing. Reality doesn't wait, and neither will your future.
So what do you do all day?
Try to figure out how to get some money for my daughter.
Man, you got a kid and you're not working.
If I had to sell my game just to pay for diapers and wipes and stuff, I do contribute and
You don't contribute, man.
pay for my daughter's thing.
Kids need food, they need clothes, and they need a father. And you're not doing any of those things, Mr. Espinosa. Get a job. Kids need to eat. They don't wait. They need food now. I'm now making it a condition of your bond for you to get a full-time job. If you don't, you're going to be working with me. Do you understand? It's not going to go well for you, Mr. Espinosa. I want you back here in 2 weeks showing me what you've done to get a job. I want to see applications in, and I want proof.
Let me break it down for you. The judge didn't sugarcoat a thing. He laid it out plain: get a job or deal with the consequences. This isn't a feel-good pep talk. This is court. This is pressure. This is real life breathing down your neck. Get up and show proof. Not promises, applications, interviews, paperwork, not pity. Because if you don't bring evidence, life will bring the hammer. Nobody trusts talkers anymore. It's grind time or game over.
Not your word, because I don't take your word. You ain't got proof, things are going to go real bad for you real quick. Do you understand?
Your Honor, if I may. I'd like to move for another bond condition. We received a notice that this defendant was attempting to purchase a firearm while having an active MOAB. It wasn't enough to charge him at the time, but he was attempting to purchase a firearm. And so I want to add no conditions or no contact conditions with any locations that sells firearms.
It was because I had pawned it.
Stop. Don't, because you're only going to get yourself in more hot water.
It was the deadline.
Stop. Where did he go to buy this gun? Allegedly.
It's going to take me 30 seconds for me to look at it.
That's great. You're able to tell that he was trying to get a gun, huh?
We get a flag.
And your money. Day your money.
Boom. Then it gets worse. You tried to buy a gun with an active warrant. Man, what were you thinking? You want to play gangster and walk out clean? Life doesn't work that way. That prosecutor isn't bluffing. You're walking a razor's edge, and one wrong move puts you deep in the system. They're done playing nice. No more dope, no more drinks, no more second chances. They're throwing bond conditions at you like punches. This is the moment where boys break, or men step up.
I won't be able to have it today, but if he is returning in 2 weeks, I should be able to tell you by then. I don't have the report number to pull it up, but I can reach out to intake and figure out where it was.
I'm trying to explain that.
Hey, so here's the deal. I'm putting him under bond conditions: no dope, no alcohol.
My only additional condition was any location that sells a firearm so that he doesn't attempt to purchase another firearm.
Let's do this. I'm sending you for a drug test right now. I want to see what's in your system. Let's see why you're not working. You've been smoking dope all day. We'll see. Take your seat for me in the jury box, Mr. Espinosa.
Listen up, this part's brutal. You're standing there talking about college, small business plans, and job hunting. Cool story, until you're charged with theft. That's right, theft. Think it's hard now? Try getting a job with thief stamped on your name. Every door closes, every manager tosses your resume. It's already tough out there. Add a record, and you're practically invisible. The older you get, the harder it hits. You want a future? Then protect it. Stop making excuses and start fighting for your life.
Lawyer today. Tell me what you're doing about that.
For a job, trying to
How long you been trying to look for a job?
since I've been 40 last month.
When's the last time you worked?
I was in school.
Been that long?
Yeah.
Why?
I just got out of school, so
Got out of school where?
TSU.
Did you graduate?
Huh?
Got out of what school?
Texas Southern. I just been in school, so
So you're in college?
I have a little small business, so I've been looking for clients, but that hasn't been going. So I was trying to book jobs at McDonald's and security, but I had to try to get. So
How old are you now? You're 30. And so you went to college. And then what happened with college?
got out like
Reality check. The judge's voice gets louder because no one's listening. He's talking about applications and effort while you keep talking about trying. But that's not enough. Everyone's got a reason. Everyone's got a struggle. But who's actually putting in the work? Time waits for no one. He tells you straight, this is it, one life, one shot. Blow it now and it's all downhill. You either build a legacy or dig a ditch. Choose fast because time's ticking and your window is closing.
last year.
Let me ask you something. How bad is it now to try to get a job? How bad is it? Does it suck? Is it hard to get a job? You're now charged with theft, Mr. North. How bad do you think it's going to go if you get convicted of this theft? You think it's tough now? Wait till you get a theft conviction on your record. You now have a prior interference that's been dismissed. You now have to stand charged with theft. You will never get a job if you're branded a thief. And you're charged with a lot of money theft. So, you think it's hard now? It only gets harder the older you get. It don't get easier. It gets so much more difficult.
Alrighty, yes, sir.
Do you mind giving an application, please, Mr. Deputy Simpson? Use it wisely. I don't give lawyers to people who continue to pick criminal cases. This is now 2. No more.
Let's talk real consequences. Caught hiding in an apartment that wasn't even yours, with a gun that had a scratched off serial number. Game over. These aren't mistakes anymore. These are choices, and every choice you make is either saving you or sinking you. The judge isn't playing. You're 21, jobless, homeless, and running out of time. What's next? Prison jumpsuits and shattered dreams? Or are you finally ready to change your story? It's your name, your freedom, your life on the line.
Person inside an apartment that the complainant stated that was supposed to be vacant, found there was observed kind of damage on it. Officers made scene, and they found 2 juveniles inside the unit, and as it was cleared, they re-entered and found this now defendant in the bathroom hiding. There was a firearm, a black 9mm Ruger with the serial number defaced and unreadable, scratched off with an unknown instrument that the defendant admitted was his in his possession.
Mr. Patterson, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. How old are you, sir?
21 now.
What do you do for a living?
I literally I've been fired, but I used to work.
Folks around?
Yes, sir. I do. I have my mom and my dad. They live together in Missouri City.
You don't live with them? Why not?
I got put out.
Here's the cold, hard truth. That judge has seen thousands like you. Big dreams, no hustle, smart talk, dumb choices, and it always ends the same. Jail time, regrets, and a pile of what-ifs. He's telling you straight, you're wasting your best years. You think youth lasts forever? It doesn't. You'll get older, uglier, more broke, more stuck. No hair, no hope, no hustle. Fix it now, or live with failure forever. Get back home, get back to school, and grow the hell up.
Get back there.
I mean, I could. My mom wants me there, but like my dad, we had got to like a big fight, so it's still kind of like, you know.
So now you're living on the street.
Basically, it's
That sucks. And it's not going to get any easier, and it's only going to get worse, Mr. Patterson. You have but one life to live. This journey can be wonderful and great, where you do great things and buy great things, or it can be a miserable, rotten existence of a life. You're headed toward a rotten existence where you're going to be nothing. And then, I'm telling you, Mr. Patterson, you're living your best life now. The older you get, the worse it gets. You become bigger, you become fatter, you get uglier, you lose your hair, and you become more and more unemployable. If you don't do something with your life now, I'm telling you, you're going to end up with a number on your back forever. I see it on a daily basis with the people in jail. If you don't believe me, I can put you there now so you can see. Straighten up, go apologize to your parents, and get your butt into school, because I'm telling you, you now prepare yourself for the next 40 years. And if you don't prepare yourself well, you will end up with nothing. Do you understand? Go back home, get into school, and do something. I'm now ordering you not to go back to the house that you were busted, and not to be in possession of any weapons. You understand? I'm telling you, you violate these conditions, I will put you in jail. And if you don't have anyone to bond you out, you'll be stuck like Chuck. You understand? Please. I'm going to give you a lawyer today. So I don't want you to pick up any new cases. I don't want you to violate these conditions. Otherwise, I'm telling you, I will keep you with a very high bond. You understand? All right. I'm going to have you go to Victoria's, sign a reset, and then I'm going to have you take a seat in the jury box while we get all your conditions and your lawyer.
Okay.
All right?
Final warning. Violate any of these new conditions, and it's over. No bond, no mercy, no freedom. The judge is done playing babysitter to grown men who can't follow the rules. This isn't just about avoiding jail. It's about building a real life. Stand tall, take accountability, and stop being another statistic. If you don't rise now, you'll stay stuck forever. The choice is yours. Get to work, be better, or be forgotten.